Good morning. How we doing today? Hold on 1 second. Good morning. Market's tanking. We're gonna thank Target for that one. Shaking my head. But the big thing is, remember we talked about TLT. TLT is the most important thing that we should be watching right now. And remember, it broke that bear flag last week. Last week is when it broke. We are now seeing a reaction in the overall market. So we shall see what happens. But I don't know why my computer's super laggy. In the middle of the night, if anybody followed me on that AUD NZD swing trade that I was in for Forex, that hit around like 112 pips, which was my first price target at the 127.2% Fibonacci extension. And here, hold on. Let me bring it over here for you guys. There we go. So if we're looking at AUD NZD, remember I was in this Forex swing trade due to a daily squeeze, a breakout, and where was the first price target? Right up here. I front runned it a little bit, so just in case it came up and hardly missed the level, it would fill me. And yeah, woke up, my order got filled. So now stop loss is going to be at break even. Actually, I might put it like at least 10 to 20 pips in profit. But overall, I'm going to be aiming for 1618. We'll see what that does. Beautiful trade, again, staying patient. Entered this trade on June 1st. It's now June 7th, and it finally hit my price target. So absolutely beautiful. If you followed me, congrats. But yeah, let's make a watch list today. How'd everybody do yesterday? You guys make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know. I think most of the watch list printed too. Let's see. The only thing that didn't break out was that Microsoft. It never broke out, and I think that's a main reason why the market would not continue going higher. We needed Microsoft to break. So Nvidia was a banger. Amazon was a banger. Let's see what Facebook did. Looks like Facebook, false breakout on Facebook. It broke much later in the day. Good, you guys are making money. Good. I want to know why my computer is lagging so bad. Might be the new scanner that I have up. It's trying to refresh the bid and ask so quick. Take that off and see what it does. Much better. Cool. Good morning. Alrighty, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna create this watch list and hopefully we can find some good setups. But again, target is the main reason why the market is pulling right now. And remember, there were a lot of there was a lot of head and shoulder formations on the 1 hour. Looks like a lot of those are finally breaking. But real quick, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Once we run it up to 150 likes, that is when I will drop the watch list in the chat. We got 120 people in here and only 40 likes, meaning 1/3 of you have clicked that like button. So make sure you guys do that. Anyways, let's take a look at AMD. AMD, again, I said that level was going to be, there was going to be a lot of resistance in this area. Hopefully you guys watch the weekly watch list. But yeah, this entire zone, the trend line, the resistance, the retracement, plus the monthly pivot, wasn't bullish on AMD unless it broke above 110. Came up to 109.57, got clippity clapped. So if I were to be interested in AMD, it would probably be, where's 103.91? We could scalp it to the downside. Let me pull up the Discord DMs to myself. AMD. Also, I have a fire video for you guys coming out tonight on how to read the tape. I think you guys are gonna love that one. Amazon, let's see, 4 hour squeeze. It's at 121. I wouldn't be interested in Amazon unless it's below 118. Gonna ignore that. Bitcoin's down pretty big overnight, so 4-hour squeeze. 67, 65, 61. Good morning, Mike. Again, channel members, I greatly appreciate all of you. Coin, be interested in some puts, see what Bitcoin ends up doing. There we go. Let's see, Dow, I was looking for a swing there. GME, we'll sit with that. Did not want to break that bull flag. HAL actually ended up doing the double top, or pretty close to the double top. I did not get in that. However, IBM. Not too interested in it. McDonald's. Setup looks pretty interesting. Just depends. Do they have liquidity? No, they do not. Probably ignore this then. I'm assuming that McDonald's is gonna gap down too, but I would like that setup if it broke out. Nvidia below the pre-market low, I'll be interested in 184. Could come down to around 180.56 to form that right shoulder. So Nvidia. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 150 people in here and only 70 likes. Remember, if you guys want the watch list, you gotta run it up. 150 likes. Yes, I'm still watching OKE. No entry unless it breaks. So right now, just set alerts. TFE. Not interested in. Till it breaks above that trend line. SQ, did it break below the trend line? Yes, it did. There we go. Okay, so SQ below 80.62, 79.44. Remember, we have that daily trend line that I talked about with the squeeze. Break below the trend line, it's probably going lower. So below that pre-market low, I will be very interested in puts. Tesla is below 700 as well. Still trading light size, so it really depends on how much these contracts are going to be. We'll see. We'll put Tesla on the list. And then Exxon still has not hit 100. It's actually squeezing really hard. Trying to figure out if it actually wants to go or not. 1 hour squeeze, 30-minute squeeze. Yeah, let's watch Exxon for the denial today. And then Apple. Did it already fill that gap? Yes, it did. Not interested. We already looked at AMD. We looked at Amazon. Wow, Baba had a fantastic day yesterday. 102.42. I think we looked at coin, right? Yes, we did. CRWD. Decent liquidity in the one, actually, not even decent liquidity. The spreads are tight, but not interested. Chevron. 177.50. What are the spreads like? 180 spreads are kind of wide. What'd they give, what's the price upgrade for Exxon? That might actually help it surpass 100. Facebook. Still below the moving averages. 191.50 would be interesting. Microsoft. Bottom fell out of that thing. Squeeze might end up firing down today. Got a pretty decently sized list too. We looked at Nvidia. We like SQ over PayPal. QQQ. Looks like QQQ is breaking the 1 hour head and shoulders. Shoulder 1, head, shoulder 2. As far as my weekly levels, that 306.25 was key. And now it's sitting on a support that I have at 303.4 from the weekly watch list. After that, 301.55, 300, 293.87. Again, if you guys are not watching those Saturday QQQ and QQQ and SPY technical analysis videos, I don't know what's wrong with you. Gotta watch them. I give you guys these levels every Saturday. Anyways. Yeah, QQQ, honestly, if it loses 303.4, that's going to be bad. Little gap that needs to fill. SPY. Yep, it's falling below the moving averages. No bueno. SPY went right to one of my supports at 407.6. Shoulder. Head, shoulder. Looks like this level is going to be important too. 406.93. Yeah, SPY below 4693. Below 407.6. Equal no good. But yeah, right to that support level. We looked at SQ, we looked at Tesla, we looked at Exxon, Target. It already bounced there. All right, I'm not interested in Target. Cool, like I said, decently sized list. AMD, Coin, Nvidia, SQ, Tesla, Exxon, Chevron, Facebook, Microsoft. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 180 people in here and only 95 likes. We need 150 likes if you guys do want the watch list. And then one thing real quick, hold on. We're gonna look at Tesla here in a hot minute. Stay patient, my man. Stay patient. We'll get to it. Don't worry. Anyways, real quick, in case you guys did not know, my new trading ebook has officially released. It released on Saturday, so June 4th. If you guys would like to pick yourself up a copy, that is the link right there. The book is 482 pages long, and I basically describe everything I know about trading, everything about my day trading and swing trading strategy as well. If you did order the ebook already, you got a Discord invite to the book holder. It's called Brandon's Book Club, BBC for short. Yeah, but yeah, you got a Discord invite once you purchase the book. So make sure you guys do join the Discord. And I sent out an updated version of the book last night. So make sure you guys do check your email because there is an updated version in there. Make sure you guys add Gumroad as a VIP in your email. Anyways, let's narrow this list. But again, if you guys want to purchase yourself the ebook, there you go. Let's find the best setups for the day. How much are we gapping down? That's the main question. Yahoo Finance. Remember that 2% rule. Okay, we're nowhere near 2%. Good. Let's see. 0.84, 0.7, 1.13. Okay, good. We got enough room that we can go. Oh, did the numbers come out? I completely forgot about that. Hold on. Let me pull it up. Negative 87.1 billion expectation, negative 89.58 billion. I mean, not as bad as they thought it would be. Trade deficit 87.08 billion, consensus 89.4. Exports 252.62 billion, imports 339.70 billion. 2% rule is typically if SPY or QQQ gap up or gap down 2%. We tend to do the complete opposite for at least in the morning. It's not 100%, but there's a high probability. That's why I always pay attention to, are we gapping up or down by 2%? So, looks like a lot of our levels are going to get broken. Anyways, all right, let's narrow the list. Somebody keep me updated on the futures. Pretty please. AMD 103.91 is what I'm interested in. Coin. It's breaking the level, of course. See, I hate when news comes out at 8:30 and invalidates a bunch of the levels. Hate it, hate it. $184 is going to be important on NVIDIA. It's pretty much a beautiful trend line right there, or not trend line, neckline. See, a 184, 181 is going to be the neckline. There we go. 182.13. $181.23. All right, we're gonna watch NVIDIA to the downside. So, NVIDIA looking for the break below 184 for puts. Price target equal 182.13, 181.23, 181. $180.1. 4 hour head and shoulders as well. It's gonna be very important. Cool. And make sure, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure to click the subscribe button. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time to give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Completely free, free 99. You can't go wrong. Make sure you guys have the bell icon. Anyways, there's NVIDIA, SQ. Again, that trend line is very important. Let's see, liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity in the 80 puts. Beautiful. $79.44, 79, and tank after that. Actually, hold on, let me get a bigger chart. There we go. SQ looking to break the trend line mentioned in Sunday's video below 80.6 for puts. Price target equal 79.44, 79, 74.31. Boom. There's SQ. Alright, let's do process of elimination from here. Hopefully the market doesn't rally, because if the market rallies, then we're gonna have to switch what we're watching. Go to coin. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. We got 120 likes. We need 30 more. Oh wait, I think we established coin was pretty much breaking. Honestly, with Tesla, what I would really like to see is for this thing to come up to 700, where we can get some puts. And yeah, hopefully this thing just absolutely tanks after that. TLT broke yesterday's high. You mean low? What are you talking about? High's all the way up here. I want what Mike's on. What are we looking at? That Tesla 700 reject looks fantastic. $685.95. A nice $15 drop. Boom, boom. All right, Tesla. Love. Exxon. I'm really interested to see what happens at 100. If it cracks 100, this thing is going to fly. Especially because it has a 1 hour and 30-minute squeeze. But I don't know. I'd prefer to look for a reject. Love. Come back to Exxon. Chevron don't care about. Facebook. $191.50 is an interesting level. Facebook and Microsoft is at the level, but that 4 hour squeeze, very interested in that. Oops, there we go. $265.25. All right, Microsoft, very interested in that. No. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. Super close. 19 more likes if you guys want the watch list. All right, I'm gonna avoid AMD today. Not too interested in the setup. Coin. It's sitting at the breakdown. Might be something I like a little closer to open. But I would say I really like Tesla. If it's able not to deny 700 in the pre-market, I would be very interested. So, looks like it's about to storm outside. Also, I think I'm getting a kitten today. Tesla. Looking for a reject at 700 for puts. If the reject price target equal 693.88. Just post the Baba news in the chat. 685.95. If you see news, you can always type it in the chat. 67150. Boom. Tesla. I think Exxon might be the one that finds its way onto the list. Let's see. NVIDIA. SQ. And Tesla. Alright, let's see if we can find one more. Nice. Let's see, do we want Exxon, Microsoft, or Facebook? I would say keep Exxon on watch anyways. Exxon looking for $100 reject for puts. Boom. And then what looks better, Facebook or Microsoft? I honestly would say Microsoft because it has that squeeze. It's breaking the bear flag. 265.3. Big gap. Cool. We might have some resistance or support here. We want to know about that area. Might be a weaker support, but we do want to know about it. So Microsoft breaking below daily bear flag, plus 4-hour squeeze, looking to fire down below 265.3 for puts. Price target equal 264.57, 263.75, 263.09, 261.6. Yes, this is Thinkorswim. Boom, and there's Microsoft. So, again, real quick before I send the watch list, if you guys would like to, my new trading ebook has officially released. I worked on this thing for over a year. It's 482 pages and it describes my entire trading strategy. Also, talking about the basics of options, so the Greeks, calls versus puts, how to plot support and resistance, the squeeze, etc., risk management. And yeah, if you guys would like to pick up a copy of the ebook, there's the link to do that. And make sure you guys do join the Car Horns book club. I'm gonna name it Car Horns book club. But you do have a link that gets sent to your email with the PDFs and to join the Discord. So, any questions before I drop the watch list? Or matter of fact, who's ready to make money today? Let me know in the chat if you're ready to make some money. Better see everybody saying yes. Everybody. Also looks like my Australian dollar trade ready to go. Stupid. Let me know. That's what I like to see. Oh yeah, I'm gonna move this stop loss. Move the stop loss to 50 pips. 50 pip profit. Beautiful trade. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right, cool. Here is the watch list today. And as I am dropping the watch list, none of this is financial advice. Everything is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Past results do not promise future results. Yeah, who's joining BBC? But yeah, not a certified financial advisor. Everything is based on my opinion and my opinion only. As options trading is very, very risky and you can lose more than your initial investment. Make sure you guys do your own due diligence and make sure that you, use your own risk management. I am not held liable for any lost funds. But if you do make money, make sure to take a screenshot, send it to me on Instagram. Make sure you guys are joining Team Bull. If you're not in Team Bull, make sure you join because you're going to get my live alerts while I'm in voice chat, and I'm going to type them out in the chat as well. Swing trades, day trades, you name it, I post it. So, yes, I have two videos on Forex. Just go onto my channel and do Control F and then Forex. I have two of them. Talk about my Forex trading strategy, and I also talk about just basic stuff when it comes to Forex. But yeah, let's run it up today. Again, if you guys did not purchase the ebook, make sure you guys do that. Here's the link. As always, I wish everybody has an amazing day.